Napakalaki ng utang na loob ko sa'yo.
No, wala. Ano ba?
Part ka ng showbiz ka rin, no? Pag tayong dalawa.
It's cellulitis. It could have been a mosquito bite that I scratched and then pumasok yung bacteria.
Hindi natin, it's not nothing to do because you are diabetic.
Nothing to do with my diabetes.
Right, Shai. God bless her. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, just a little bit. Thanks.
Alright, thank you. And hey, I hope you feel better.
Grabe. Unshaken. Cellulitis. We'll talk about this in a bit.
Yeah. And then I'll head back to the hospital because I have a test later on. Come out on stage because you have to preach. I just come out on stage and I just share. Why? Because there's a lot that this body has already gone through, and whatever I've read in the gospel and whatever promises have been given to me, they've been proven. You know, even just by being here now, I have to go back to the hospital in a bit. Maybe I still have to do some tests, but I'm here.
Tell him what's
Well,
your
I'd like
message.
to hear him first before I say anything, because there are so many things that can come out. There are so many things being posted, maybe not in its entirety. And when you leave out certain things, those are the things that actually might really matter. I'm not one who will judge him. You know, he is as unperfect as I am, and I'm just thankful that he's keeping himself grounded on what he believes in. Maybe someday, if we do talk, I'd like to find out, dude, what's going on? What's going on with you and God? Tara, share tayo lang.
Alam niyo po mga kapatid, magkaiba talaga ang estilo ni Martin Rivera at saka ni Gary Valenciano sa kanilang pagpe-perform. Si Martin, hinahangaan natin sa kanyang parang solong na walang sayaw. Diba?
Seryoso. Oo, yun yung seryoso. At hindi masyadong pasong.
Si Gary V, kasabay ng kanyang pagkanta, yung sa mga upbeat, yung galaw ng kanyang katawan, ang galing ng footwork. Diba?
Oo, kaya nga tinaguri ang pure energy.
Oo,
Diba?
matindi ang energy niya. Kaso lang po, mga kapatid, alam po natin na diabetic naman po siya at saka hindi na siya bumabata. Kaya ngayon po marami nagsasabi na lagi siyang naka-wheelchair kasi meron siyang iniindang tendonitis o tendinitis. Interchangeable yan. Tendinitis. Kumbaga sa basketball player po, yung mga ACL ba? Kasi yung tendon, ibig sabihin, litid. May problema sa litid.
Oo, yung mga napupunit. Napupunit.
Oo, napipilas. Diba? Napupunit. Kaya, talaga grabe yung kay Gary V. Sana, maiayos sana bukod sa kanyang diabetes na yan, maiayos din sana itong kanyang problema ngayon sa tendon. Mahirap yan. Mahirap talaga yan.
Sabi naman ni Gary Valenciano, di ba, nung naka-wheelchair siya, tumatayo, sabi niya, wag po kayo mag-alala, maayos po dahil dumadaan naman daw siya sa mga gagarang laboratory, proseso, kaya wag
napakalaki ng kanyang paniniwala at pananampalataya. Kaya susubaybayan siya at bibigyan ng magandang katawan ng Diyos, di ba? Ay alam nyo naman na Martin Rivera tayo, ayaw natin sa asawa ni Mr. Pure Energy, masungit. Sabi ni Randy Balaguer.
May pahabol. May pahabol ka talaga.
Sabi naman siya ng katotohanan ng kanyang puso. Tama naman yon. Ison, magkaiba talaga. Iba ang energy ni Gary B. Pero alam ko na ang bias mo talaga is si Martin. Paborito ko talaga si Martin Rivera. Oo, ako naman hindi hindi naman ako nagpapanggap na maka-Gary B. holiday pa lang ang kinakanta ni Martin Rivera, yung unang-una. O, di ba? You're my holiday.
At saka tayo naman, marami naman, may paborito tayo, pero lahat gusto natin. Di ba na hindi ganun eh?
Kaya lang, may mas gusto tayo. Ganon. Pareho po silang magaling pero magkaiba po ang estilo. Praying for you, Idol Gary V. Sabi ni Dan Clavesillas. At etong sabi ni Miss Nags, totoo naman ito, itong mga komento nila ha. Eto, sanay tayo na siya yung hindi napapagod tumalon at sumayaw sa stage. Pero aminin natin, hindi rin biro ang tendonitis. Lalo na sa edad at sa rami ng pagod na ibinigay niya sa fans through the years. Health is wealth, Mr. Pure Energy. We'd rather see you resting now than forcing it and hurting later. Oo, napakalaki na ng kaligayang ibinigay mo, 'di ba, sa publiko. Hindi na mabasawalan yun.
Sobrang kotang-kota na.
Totoo. People with certain medical conditions like diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, or gout are more prone to tendonitis, tendon inflammation. Dahil diabetic po si Mr. Gary V, nagiging stiff at less flexible ang tendon, sabi ni Wating-Wating. And she knows better. Ito ang ganyan ni Wating-Wating. She knows. Oo, alam niya yan. Okay, eto. Ako rin po, Maka Martin Rivera ako, pero I'm praying for Gary V. Tama. Okay. Praying for Gary V. Maayos ang mga litid-litid.
Wait, I just want you guys to know, you can have all the awards you want. This is the best award for me.
I think they have found the newest endorser, the Gary V.
Oh
Cut.
my God!
Ewan ko lang, ako naghihintay lang ako.
It's something that as a kid, okay, when my family was growing up, the family behind Robinsons has always been very close to our family. So isang Christmas, yung tita ko nagbigay ng isang kahon, halos kasing laki nito, and it was filled with packs of potato chips, barbecue potato chips. Wala pang VCAT nun eh. Kasi ang history ng VCAT, basta I'm letting you know that when I saw those bags of potato chips in that box, it's on record. It's the first time I actually danced my heart out. And it's coming out in the documentary soon. But anyway, I don't want to take too much of your time. Thank you so very much, everyone. Maraming salamat for this award. I will never forget this. And take a picture. This is historical.
Tita Cars, whether you move on stage or sit still on that stool, whatever happens, you are still and forever Gary V. Whatever happens, you are Mr. Pure Energy. Ladies and gentlemen, get together for Miss Gary Valenciano. Icon legend.
We got Gary Valenciano, and behind that, we got the magic